वेलकम टू अवर चैनल जीनियस मैथ एंड फिजिक्स। और टाइम बर्बाद नहीं करके शुरू करेंगे हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन, एक्सरसाइज 8B एलिमेंट्स ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स। हाँ, टेंजेंट एंड नॉर्मल लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस। एक्सेल सब कुछ कह दिया मैंने कि टेंजेंट एंड नॉर्मल के लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन। पहला क्वेश्चन, शो दैट द लाइन y equal to mx plus c is a tangent to a parabola y square equal to 4ax if c is equal to a by m. Question, show that the line y equal to mx plus c is a tangent to a parabola y square equal to 4ax if c is equal to a by m. This is a very important question and is a selected question of this exercise, as well as it is needed for the all types of students who are preparing for class 12th board exam. Question is, the line y equal to mx plus c is a tangent to a parabola. If a line is tangent to a parabola, if a line is tangent to a curve, then no doubt the line and the curve both meet at a single point, and that point let be x1, y1. We can call it as a let the point of contact. Let the point of contact p x1, y1. Let the point of contact be p x1, y1. The point of contact means it lies on the tangent as well as in the parabola. Line and parabola. So this point will satisfy the equation of the line. So we can write y1 is equal to mx1 plus c, which is equation number 1. Similarly, y1 square equal to 4a into x1, as the point is on the line and parabola. So y square 4x1, you can take the second equation. Now what you do? Show that the line y equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the parabola. You see that line y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent. So the slope of the tangent y equal to mx plus c is m. We know that y equal to mx plus c is the slope m. But we are provided with y square equal to 4ax. Then what will be the slope of this curve? 2y into dy by dx. We get 4a after differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx at x1 y1 is equal to tangent of this curve. So answer is 4a upon 2y1, that is 2a upon y1. Right? So dy by dx, but we are provided with dy by dx at x1 y1 is nothing but the slope of the tangent. We know the slope of the tangent m, it is equal to, if we apply the derivative, then we are getting 2a upon y1. So m equal to 2a upon y1. So what about y1? It is 2a upon m. Now what you will do? Put this value of y1 in the equation 1. Putting the value of y1 in equation 1. What are you getting? y1 equal to m into x1 plus c. So 2a upon m is equal to mx1 plus c. So what can be said about x1? So what is mx1? mx1 equal to 2a by m minus c, that is 2a minus cm by m. So what would be x1? x1 equal to 2a minus ca by m, that is m square. 2a by cm by m square. 2a by cm by m square. Please note it down. Since the contact point is x1 y1, so we'll write the contact point is 2a minus cm by m square, we got x1, and y1 is 2a by m. We have got it, I think, x1 and y1. So the contact point is this one. But this contact point lies on the curve. The point lies on the curve. The point lies on the curve. Which curve? Y square equal to 4ax, or y1 square equal to 4ax1. You know, I think the point lies on the curve. If you not write this line, then you can write here. You can write also in this way, that putting the values of x1 and y1 in the equation, putting the value of values of x1 and y1 in equation 2, we get y1 square equal to 4ax1 implies y1 square 2a upon m whole square is equal to 4a into x1 2a minus cm upon m square. This implies 4a square by m square is equal to 4a into 2a minus cm by m square. M square cancels. 4a square and 4a will also be cancelled. Only here will be a. So a equal to 2a minus cm. So cm is equal to a. So c is equal to a by m. Proved. Right? Pause the video to note it down. We'll go to the next question. Second question, show that the line y equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 if c square equal to a square m square plus b square. This is a common question. Exactly, the question is similar to the question number A. In question number A, we have got the parabola. In question number B, we are getting ellipse. That much difference is there. Procedure is same. What we have done in the first case, we have taken the point of contact. Let the point of contact, again let the point of contact px1, y1. But this point is on the tangent. So we are writing y1 equal to mx1 plus c. We will take this equation number 1. In the second step, we are taking x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So we can have another equation, x1 square by a square plus y1 square by b square equal to 1. Now, in the third step, yes, you see, we have taken equation 1 and equation 2 just in the previous video, previous question. y1 equal to mx1 plus c, x1 square by a square plus y1 square by b square equal to 1. These are two different equations we have obtained now. Equation of the curve, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. In the second step, in this step what we have done? We have taken the derivative. So take the derivative 2x upon a square plus 2y upon b square into dy by dx. I think you are very smart in obtaining derivative. And x square is derivative 2x 1 upon a square. Y square derivative 2y into dy by dx 1 upon b square is equal to 0. Therefore dy by dx, we are getting dy by dx is equal to minus 2x by a square divided by 2y by b square. So answer is minus b square x by a square y. We have got it, dy by dx. But the slope of the tangent is dy by slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent is equal to dy by dx at x1, y1. So answer is minus b square x1 divided by a square y1. We got it now. dy by dx is minus b square x by a square y1. But what is the slope of the tangent? Y equal to mx plus c. Because of y equal to mx plus c is a tangent. That's why slope of this tangent is equal to m. So we can replace as m is equal to b square x by a square y1 minus b square x by a square y1. This is minus b square x by a square y1. So what about y1? y1 equal to minus b square x by a square m. Now when we obtained y1, then replace this value in equation 1. Remember, after obtaining the value of y1, it would be put on the equation 1, so that x1 will be obtained. After getting x1 and y1, you will replace this in equation 2 to get your answer. This is the real format. Please note it down. Then we got the value of y1 as like this. Then we can replace the value of y1 in the equation 1. So what would happen? Minus b square x1 by a square m is equal to mx1 plus c. So mx1 plus b square x1 by a square m is equal to, you are getting c. Then a square m square, yes, now you can see x1 will take common, m plus b square by a square m is equal to c. Then what would be the value of x1 after solving? x1 equal to c by a square m square plus b square by a square m. So it will be a square m by a square m square plus b square. This is x1. We got it, I think. Everything is okay? Yes? C is equal to this much? Yes, x1 will be equal to pass. So what the point of contact is? The point of contact is equal to x1 y1, that is c is a square m by a square m square plus b square, and y1 is minus b square x1 by a square m. So you can write the point of contact as c. As our question is, we have to prove that c square equal to a square m square plus b square. So x1 and y1 will not be in the, x1 and y0 will be expressed in terms of c, a, m and b. You see, x1 is in terms of c a square m by a square m square plus b square, but y1 is in the term x1, right? So replace x1 as this much. So this one will c a square m by a square m square plus b square x1, and y1 would be minus b square into c a square m by a square m into a square m square plus b square. This is your contact point. Now replace this x1 and y1 in the equation 2, so that you will get c square equal to a square m square plus b square. Now you can replace it. x1 and y1 in the equation 2, then you will solve to get c square equal to a square m square plus b square. Do it yourself now. You can do it yourself. You will get the answer c square equal to a square m square plus b square. Okay. Yes. Now I'm going to take another question. We can take another question from tangent and normal like this. Question is so that, we'll take like this question, so that the line y equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the curve, this curve is hyperbola, x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 if c square equal to a square m square minus b square. Then you see question number A, question number B and question number C. These three questions are similar. But you have to remember that what you have to do. First one, point of contact. Step 1, point of contact. Step 1, point of contact. Now I am going to say the format. If this question is like this, then you have to proceed in this way. Okay? First, the point of contact be x1 by 1. Because of most of the students say, sir, it is very difficult for us to remember. No. Actually, there is a format here. What the format is? Let point be x1 by 1. Next, substitute the value of x1 and y1 in tangent equation as well as in the curve equation. So that will be equation y1 equal to mx1 plus c and x1 square by a square minus y1 square by b square equal to 1. Step 2. What is in step 3? Find the derivative of the curve equation. Derivative of the equation of the curve. Equation of the curve. In terms of x1 and y1. In terms of x1 and y1. Fourth step, find x1 and y1 in terms of m. In terms of m. We have got it. How? That this one derivative is taken to be m and y1 is equal to y1 and x1 will be obtained. Then fifth step, substitute x1 and y1 value in curve equation. Curve equation, or that is equation 2 what we have taken, curve equation. That is x1 square by a square minus y1 square by b square equal to 1. What is the curve equation? The curve equation also in terms of x1 and y1. Then you will get your answer. Okay? These three questions are very similar. Next we will take another question, question number 4. Pause the video, note it down. Next question, question number D, 4 number question. So that the sum of intercepts made by the tangent to the curve root x plus root y is equal to root a is constant. So that sum of the intercepts made by the tangent to the curve, made by the tangent with different axis, okay, to the curve is constant. Yes. But the question is, so that the sum of the intercepts made by the tangent to the curve root x plus root y is equal to root a is constant. Step 1, take the point of contact. Let the point of contact be px1 ma y1. Let the point of contact be px1 y1. क्या लिखो x1 y1. Then the point of contact is this one, and this point is on the curve. That means root over x1 plus root over y1 is equal to root over a. Equation number 1. Point of contact be px1 y1. Point of contact means that point will certainly lie on the curve. So root over x1 plus root over y1 equal to root over a. Next, so that the intercepts made by the tangent to the curve. Second step, we have to find out the equation of the tangent. Remember what you have to do? Equation of tangent is to be obtained. For equation of tangent, yes, you see, what you have to take the necessary precautions or necessary steps. What you have to remember yourself is that at first you have to take the point of contact. Then equation of tangent, you remember to find out the equation of tangent. For equation of tangent, what you require? Certainly derivative is required because of slope is required. So equation of tangent, for getting equation of tangent, you have to derive this one. Sorry, we have to take the differentiation of this equation. So this is root x plus root y equal to root a. Therefore its derivative will be 1 by 2 root x plus 1 by 2 root y into dy by dx is equal to derivative root h 0. In every institute, in every colleges and in every places, you can get such type of questions. If you are a student of class 12th, then certainly every student have done this one. But here what you have to do, that you have to find out, you have to remember the steps. Okay, you have to remember the algorithms, that which step comes after which step. This one is very important. So that is 1 by 2 root y into dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 2 root x. Therefore dy by dx at x1 or y1, which is slope of the curve, is minus 1 by 2 root x by 1 by 2 root y, in the sense y1. So answer is minus root over y1 by root over x1. We got it. So root x plus root y equal to root a. Therefore equation of the tangent is obtained. Sorry, the slope of the tangent is there. So now you have to find out equation of the tangent. So for equation of tangent, you have to write y minus y1. Y minus y1 means y1 to y1. Y minus y1 is equal to slope minus root over y1 by root over x1 into x minus x1. Then root x1 into y minus root over x1 into y1 is equal to minus x root over y1 plus root over x1 root over y1. Yes? Cross multiplication, root x1 into y minus s1 plus y1. Since the equation of tangent is a straight line, so its equation will be obtained in terms of x, y and constant. So here the x part is here, minus x root over y1, if it will be transposed, x root over y1, right? Next, y would be here, yes, here y is there, root x1 into y, right? Then a constant would be there. So what the constant? Root over x1 root over y1 plus, you see, root over x1 y1. Again you see, you see a little bit, root over x1 into y minus root over x1 into y1 minus x root over y1 plus x1 root over y1. You see, you have to check in this step. The step is for checking. Every student must check this one, that whether you are right or not. You see, when you will think that you are right, if both sides will be in terms of plus, right? I think you have noted it. You have got the equation in terms of x, y and constant. Then you will find, then you will be sure that your procedure and what you have done is absolutely right. Okay, then our question was to find the equation of to find the sum of the intercepts. To find the sum of the intercepts. So it is the equation of a straight line. We have to convert the equation of straight line into intercept form. What is intercept form? X upon x intercept plus y upon y intercept is equal to 1. Then what we will do now? X root over y1 plus root over x1 y is equal to, we are getting x1 root over y1 plus root over x1 into y1. We can make here a small splitting. Root over x1 root over y1 will be taken common, so we will get root over x1 plus root over y1. Since root over x1 plus root over y1 is root a, so it will be root over a, root over x1, root over y1. Yes, students? X root over y1 plus root over x1 y is equal to root a into root over x1 into root over y1. Actually, students, problem is that it is nearly about 10:30 और 10:45 में हम वीडियो बनाते हैं, तो प्रॉब्लम यही है कि इधर थोड़ा सा डिस्टर्बेंस भी हो रहा है. प्लीज़ आप इग्नोर कर लीजिए डिस्टर्बेंस, थोड़े साउंड में डिस्टर्बेंस हो रहा है. दिस विल बी द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. Now we will get x root over y1 plus root over x1 into y is equal to root a into root over x1 into root over y1. Since this is a straight line equation, so we have to express the straight line equation into intercept form. What is in the intercept form? At last we are getting 1. Right now, x by x intercept plus y by y intercept equal to 1. We have to get 1. So how it will be obtained? X root over y1 by root over a root over x1 root over y1 plus root over x1 into y by root over a root over x1 root over y1 is equal to root over a root over x1 root over y1 by root over a root over x1 root over y1. Now this will be root over y1 and root over y1 will be cancelled, and here root over x1 and root over x1 would be cancelled. Now we are getting x intercept. X intercept is equal to root a root x1. Y intercept is root a root over y1. But our question is to find out the sum of the intercepts. So sum of the intercept will be root a root over x1 plus root a root over y1. This is the sum of the intercept. So take root a common, so that will be root x1 plus root over y1, which is nothing but root a again. Its value is root a, na? So root a into root a is equal to a, which is a constant. Which is constant. You see, in all types of questions, we are getting the various way how to tackle with the numericals. मैंने बार बार बोल रहा हूँ कि ये न्यूमेरिकल आप लोग बहुत सारे एग्ज़ाम में ये क्वेश्चन आया था और ये आप लोग पा सकते हैं. और ये होता है क्या कि ये जो सॉल्यूशन, इसके लिए तो ढेर सारी किताब से गाइड्स है, आप लोगों का लेक्चरर्स भी किए होंगे, मगर इसमें क्या होता है ना, इसमें क्या फॉर्मेट होता है और ये फॉर्मेट को कैसे हम लेके जाएंगे ताकि एवरी न्यूमेरिकल हम सॉल्व कर पाएंगे. अगर ये क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा ना, इसी क्वेश्चन x to the power 2 by 3 plus y to the power 2 by 3 is equal to a to the power 2 by 3, we can solve in this way. If this question will be x to the power 3 by 4 plus y to the power 3 by 4 is equal to a to the power 3 by 4, then you can solve, you can proceed in this way. Only the curve equation will be changed. So this is one type of question which is mainly asked in the exam, because of the varieties of questions can be done with this by changing the variables. Okay, thank you for watching the videos.